Hey boys and girls. Okay, so I know you're on your iPads and yours is going to look a little different than mine, but I wanted to make this video to show you how to use Canva. Let me get into my Canva. So if you're on your home Canva page, it should look like this, and you should see Canva up here at the top left-hand corner, okay? I want you to tap on that using your finger, tap on Canva, and something should pop up that looks similar to this. Yours is going to look a little different, okay? Because again, I'm on my computer right now. I'm not on my iPad. But there should be a search bar up at the top, like right side of your iPad. So in this search bar, you're going to type bookmarks. Bookmarks. And when you type that, it should bring up something that looks just like this, bookmark. You're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you to something that, again, it's not going to look exactly like this because you're on your iPad, but it's going to look similar. You want to create a blank bookmark, so you're going to click on that. This is what you should be seeing, something very similar to this. The first thing that you're going to see, down at the bottom, there's a percentage right here. You could make your bookmarks small and larger that way, okay? And then the first thing that I want you to do to your bookmark is you're going to go to background. Now, to find background on your iPad, on the left-hand side, you're going to see 3 little dots. You're going to click on those 3 little dots, okay? And when you click on those 3 little dots, it's going to bring up more choices like these that you see on my computer. And you'll find background. So when you go to background, you can choose a background. Remember, if it has a crown on it like a queen or king would wear, don't choose it because that's going to cost money. It's the Pro Edition. But you can choose a background. You're always safe to choose a color, okay? Those are free, and you can do those for sure. The next thing that I want to show you is elements. So the heart, the triangle, the square, the circle, that is where you're going to find just all sorts of pictures and graphics that you can add to your bookmarks. So say you love, I don't know, mermaids. You type that into the search bar, and then it brings up mermaids that you can choose. Now, I have the Pro Edition, so I could choose any of these, but you can't because you haven't paid for a subscription. So you have to choose ones that do not have the crown. Like this one doesn't have a crown. So you could use that. Okay, I'm just picking things quickly here. That didn't have a crown. Okay? And then to type anything that you want it to say, that is text, this T over here. So you're going to click on it, okay? And then probably on your bookmark, you're going to want to use this biggest, add a heading. You can use some of these over here, but those, again, mostly are Pro, and they're going to cost money. So I would just kind of stay away from those. I would add this one, add a heading. To move it, you're going to use those 4 arrows, okay? To move anything, you use the 4 arrows. To make it bigger, you grab the dot, and you can drag that a bit, and it makes it bigger. You can change your font up here where it says Canva Sans, and you can choose anything that doesn't have that gold crown, okay? I'm going to use this one, and then you can type whatever you want. I love mermaids. How about that? And then you could change the color of this as well. The font color, highlight it, and then this A with the rainbow, choose that. And then you can change the color to whatever you want. Okay? So now I made that blue. I'm going to add my name, Mrs. Newcomb, and I'm not in a classroom, but let's pretend I'm in Mrs. Maxfield's classroom, 5M, okay? You have to have your grade level and your teacher's initial next to your name, and your bookmark has to have your name on it. Once you're done designing, and you've done everything you want to do to it, you are going to go to share, I believe, and you have to download it, and you want it to be PNG, a ping, okay? Make it a ping. You'll download it. And once you've downloaded it, at this point, I'm going to help you, and we're going to airdrop it to my computer. Okay? So, yay! Yay for learning how to design bookmarks. All right. I'm trying to stop my recording. Where did it go? Did that not record? It did record. I couldn't find my recorder. Bye.